is Subway like that? How the fuck aren't you guys open when it's past 12 o'clock, considering it's fucking Tuesday and nobody's there? Like, what the fuck? Hope you get a foot long in your ass. Well, fuck Subway. Okay. Oh shit. No. Sorry.
Katie Something help you?
Hello?
This is Katie Something.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good.
I ate at your guys' restaurant recently. I cannot pronounce the name. What is it called?
Katie Something House?
Katie something house?
Yes.
Wait, it says Katie something house.
Right.
Interesting name. What is your guys' best meal there? Like, what do you prefer?
Oh?
Yeah, what do you guys best prefer?
We make a homemade dumpling and a noodle here.
You guys serve dog?
Yes.
Okay.
So what can I do for you?
What are your guys' work hours at?
Hours?
Mm-hmm.
From 11 to 9.
11 to 9, that's some late hours. Is this
You
your
want to
restaurant?
order something?
Yeah, is this your restaurant?
I'm sorry?
Is this your restaurant?
No.
Whose restaurant is it?
This is 665 North Cass Avenue in Westmont.
Whose fucking restaurant is it? Not where it's located.
This is a dining in and carry out.
Whose fucking restaurant is it, you chink? Hello? I think she hung up on me. Hello? There we go. Looks like we're doing a video mashup of places. No, she's fucking pressing stairs 6-7. Oh, I got a better one. Yeah, but clear on yourself. Okay, nice. Yeah. Just call it Chuck E. Cheese's and just fuck with them. Stop pushing that fucking button. Bad hand. Hello? Hello? Okay. Yeah, hello. Let me have. Hey, what would we have? Let's try someone else. No. Random click. Okay. I have so many prank phone calls I've done. I haven't recorded them just for fun, just to practice.
The number you have reached.
Fuck, that was loud. Brr. Oh wow. Okay. This is why I generally do black screen for all my other videos, because this is what I have to wait through until I get
To disconnect, press 1. If you still want to leave a message for this person, press 3. Or simply, at the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
It's hard to masturbate when I'm doing a voice call. I'd rather if you call me back so I can listen to your voice. Yeah, they're gonna read that and be like, what the fuck? I hope it's Chuck E. Cheese. Oh god. Hope they have a fucking speaker when it does that. Someone's not gonna answer, probably. Oh. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. Who's this?
Who's it? A customer?
Hello.
What's your restaurant called?
Taste Indian Chinese cuisine?
You Chinese.
Indian Chinese, yes sir.
Indian Chinese.
Yes sir.
How come it's both? Is it just mixed?
I beg your pardon?
Is it just mixed or?
No, it's Chinese food with Indian spices, Indian flavors.
That's interesting. So, give me one of the spices from India. Like, what's your guys' favorite spice?
You get all the Indian spices in America, boss.
So it could be like dog with some kind of weird spice or something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your favorite food that you have there? Like, favorite meal?
I beg your pardon?
What's your favorite meal?
Chili chicken, chicken Manchurian, these are very popular dishes.
Chili chicken, McChicken,
Crispy lamb.
McChicken? What? What was that again?
Crispy lamb.
Crispy lamb?
Yes sir.
Who the fuck eats crispy lamb?
Can I put you on the phone for a second?
I'd really prefer not to.
I beg your pardon?
I'd prefer not to. And you're pardoned. Fucking prick. Fucking laugh when he answers. Can you stop being a dick and put me off hold? Prick, you there? Okay. Not gonna do that again. Jag off. Okay. What? You can help me by go fuck yourself.
I beg your pardon?
You can go fuck yourself.
Oh, thank you. I know. Okay, bye.
Oh, no, 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 you don't leave. I call Godzilla. You cook dog. Hope that crispy lamb gets up your ass. Oh, God, fuck, I think fell out. Okay. Let's not try to fucking push it back. I'm gonna do one more before the video's ended. Swear to God, you fucking me out one more damn time, you fucking kill you. Stupid ass kids. The phone is ringing.
Calling GameStop, where you can get an Xbox One for free with eligible trades. This is John. How can I help you?
Yeah, did I talk to you before about the toaster strudel incident?
I'm sorry, I can't understand you. What do you think?
Did you talk to me before about the toaster strudel incident? And you told me to call Microsoft?
I'm sorry, what's the problem?
Well, I ended up calling, I'm not sure if this GameStop, maybe another one, I forget the number, I might have mistaken it. I called them saying, that there was a problem where I ended up dropping some of the stuff that I had on my toaster strudel into my Xbox's fan.
Okay.
And he told me, hey, just go call Microsoft. And they said, well, they figured out the problem wasn't this toaster strudel, it was the week-old semen I had in it.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you. Can you repeat it one more time?
There was, I guess, toaster strudel mixed with semen inside my fan on my
Toaster strudel?
Yeah, like this. Well,
Alright, thanks.
what? Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. I dropped the toaster strudel in the fan. Let me fucking hang up on you. I'm pissing. I'm gonna call someone else and be like, you fucking bitch.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set
They
up
can go
yet.
fuck themselves. That's what they can do with it. No. Alright, I said I was going to do one more. I'm doing. This is going to be the last one for this episode. Well, this fucking video.
Please enjoy this Verizon ringback tone while your party is reached.
What the fuck kind of Mexican shit is this?
Hello?
Who is this? I'm sorry, Verizon played this really shitty music and I could not even tell who the fuck I was calling at the time. It was weird. Transfer me saying while you're waiting for your party members or something like that, we're gonna play some shitty music that sounded like it came from a Mexican festival at a rape center. So I couldn't read what it said who I was calling. So either you can be my ex-girlfriend who fucked a cat or... Okay, alright prick. No, you're getting called back.